Hey everyone! If you've ever struggled with portrait drawing, like getting the proportions right or making the face feel alive, this video is for you. I'm drawing Alexandra using the Loomis method, and I'm breaking it down step by step. No fancy talk, just real process. We start with the Loomis circle. Inside that, I sketch an oval. That's the ear zone, helps me lock the head angle. Then, I drop a center line. Add 3 horizontal guides, evenly spaced. These are the bones of the face. Next comes the jawline. At point 13, I start building the nose using half the distance from the center. These lines? They're not features yet, just structure. Don't trust them for details, they're your roadmap. This drawing goes through 3 phases. Phase 1, Loomis lines, pure structure. Phase 2, light shading with a 2B pencil, adjusting proportions, still rough. Phase 3, full detail mode, where the magic happens. I use a charcoal eraser to fade the guidelines. I want a clean base to build on. Then, I go in with 2B for soft shadows, just shaping things up. I'm ready to dive deep. I grab my black 8B pencil and start with the eyes, then the nose. I use an electric eraser to pop highlights. I hit the eye center with a white gel pen. That sparkle brings it to life. Then, I switch to Staedtler 8B for soft eyebrow layers. I go back with the black pencil for sharper hairs. Around the eyes and nose, I use 2B again. I need control here. Then, I layer with 8B to deepen shadows. I keep building until it feels right. I start the hair, outline first, then a base layer with powder or 4B pencil. I go back with black for the darkest zones. Then comes blending, tissue, brush, whatever works. I use the electric eraser to add shine to the hair. I finished the portrait with final touches. This is where the piece comes alive. If this helped you fix your portrait struggles, drop a comment. Tell me what part hit you the most. And if you're still stuck, let me know. I'll make sure the next video helps you out. Thanks for watching, and remember, every great drawing starts with a few messy lines.